Lesson 7.1. Basic counter. Open it from the free Verilog curriculum. I opened the free Verilog curriculum, click into this lesson, and wait for the docs pane to load. The lesson loads, and the docs on the right become our guide. You will increment a clock counter with non-blocking assign. Count on each clock. Simulate Q. Confirm pass. A basic counter is Q less equal Q plus 1 on the active edge after reset. Reset clears to a known value before free running. Width decides when natural wraparound happens. Clocked register Q increments each cycle. Your TODO is the increment expression. Fill Q less equal Q plus 1 from golden, then Ctrl S. Those edits are in. Next we open simulation, press run, and check the log for pass. Open simulation and press run. The log shows Q climbing, then pass. In Surfer, right-click the TP score and add the signals. Surfer, Q steps once per clock after reset. Yosys maps to an added plus register counter. Open the circuit schematic to see the synthesized netlist. Review. Reset path plus Q less equal Q plus 1. The test bench frees the counter for several clocks. That is basic counter. See you in the next lesson.